What is data? Well, in data science, its meaning is huge. Data is raw facts or observations, while information is processed and meaningful data. Everyone works with data from different perspectives. For example, a doctor prescribes medicine based on your data. Surprisingly, the products you see on social media are often shown to you based on your data. You take tours, capture lots of pictures and videos, and store them on your PC or laptop as memories. That's also your data. Some simple examples of data include PDF and Excel files, MRI images, emails, sales invoices, bank records, audio, photos, and videos. All of these are data. So data is extremely important to everyone, and that's why data management is so important. In this video, I'll be talking about data management and more specifically how to recover lost data. So how do you manage your data securely? First, never keep everything in just one place. For example, if you save all your data on your laptop, what happens if that laptop gets stolen? You could lose everything. That's why it is recommended to back up your data on different devices such as an external SSD, a NAS, or cloud storage. Next, organize your data properly into folders, categories, and clear file names to avoid confusion. And most importantly, for sensitive information like bank data, make sure it's encrypted for maximum security. If you accidentally delete your important data or lost it without having any backup, what should you do? Well, don't worry, there is a solution. You can recover lost data such as photos, videos, and files. One of the best tools for this is Wondershare Recoverit, which uses advanced AI technology and has an impressive recovery success rate of 99.5%. I have personally tested some of free data recovery tools to understand why people often choose paid options. What I found is that free tools usually come with limitations, they are not very user-friendly, and the results are now here near the level of Wondershare Recoverit. That's why in future I plan to create a comparison video between free recovery software and Wondershare Recoverit to show the difference in detail. But before you panic, let's see how Wondershare Recoverit version 14 can bring your lost data back. Now to do a real-life experiment, let's format a pen drive first. As you can see, there are a few photos and a video stored on the pen drive. You can delete these files or simply format the drive. To do that, just right-click on the drive, select Format, then select Start and hit OK to allow the PC to format it. Once the format is complete, let's open the pen drive again. As you can see, there are no photos, no videos, and no other data left. That means now we are ready to recover deleted data from this pen drive using Recoverit. To test how Recoverit works, you can try it free with limited options. The updated Wondershare Recoverit version 14 is now live, featuring enhanced capabilities and up to 99% codex compatibility. Recoverit version 14 brings a comprehensive upgrade, including smart AI repair and enhancement. It also offers specialized recovery for cameras, drones, handheld devices, and other storage media across both Windows and Mac platforms. To download Recoverit 14, just follow the link in the video description. The installation process is very simple, and within just a few clicks it will be installed perfectly. Once you have installed Recoverit, just open it up. At the first glance, it looks very simple and the interface feels user-friendly. We basically start recovering data from the first option, hard drives and location. Here you can see that Recoverit uses AI to detect devices more quickly. This allows you to select the location of your lost data, whether it's on external drives like USBs or internal storage such as SSD or HDD partitions. There is also quick access, which gives you a shortcut to scan a disk image, your desktop, a specific folder, or even the recycle bin. By the way, Recoverit also provides access to several other powerful utility tools. The first one is file repair. It comes with exclusive features to repair corrupted data in almost any scenario, and even enhance photos using AI. It can repair corrupted videos, photos, and documents, as well as enhance blurry photos and restore facial details. Other tools include options to recover data from crashed computer, restore NAS or Linux data, perform enhanced recovery for photos and videos, or even recover lost files directly from OneDrive cloud storage. Now let's move on to the SD card recovery. As you can see, the USB drive is already selected and the data loss has been detected by AI. By clicking the drop-down menu, you can also choose other external drives if they are connected to your PC. Next, click the Start button to begin the scanning process. Instantly, Wondershare Recoverit will start scanning the selected USB drive. On the left corner, you notice the default view is file location, but since we are working with a USB drive, I think switching to file type makes more sense. Here you can also select photo and video, since we specifically want to recover our deleted or formatted photos and videos. At the bottom, you notice that a deep scan is running and it has already found some files. If you want, you can also enable other types of files from this list, such as audio, documents, emails, database, and more. Once the scan is complete, you see the total number of recovered files categorized by type. Let's select photos, then go to JPG folder, and voila! All the deleted photos are recovered successfully. Let's preview one by clicking the first picture. It takes a couple of seconds to load the preview since the photo is not saved yet. For your information, Wondershare Recoverit can restore almost every image format, including JPEG, PNG, RAW, PST, AVM, and many others. Plus, even you can enhance recovered photos with AI Enhancer. Now let's check out other videos. Go to video category, then open the MP4 folder. Here you can see the vertical video we have deleted along with some other videos, all successfully restored by Recoverit. Let's preview one of them. The video starts playing while the preview may lag slightly. Once you have saved the file, it plays smoothly with no quality issues. Recoverit can handle almost all video formats including MP4, AVI, MKV, ARI, B-RAW, and many more. You can watch more videos related to data. I have created a dedicated playlist for you and link in the video description. Saving recovered files in Recoverit is very easy. If you only want to save specific photos or files, first uncheck all. Then select once you want one by one. After that, you can right-click any of the selected file and choose Recovery. Or simply hit the recover button in the bottom right corner of the interface. Wait a minute. Make sure to deselect any other file types in the file type category. Otherwise, unnecessary files may also be saved. Once that is done, click recover to continue. Recoverit will then ask you to choose a file location. Notice that USB drive option is disabled by default to avoid overwriting issues. So just select a specific location, such as even a network drive or a folder on your PC. After selecting the location, click the recover again to save the files. Recoverit will automatically open the folder where your files have been restored. Now let's go to the photo folder, then into JPG folder, and here are all pictures we have just recovered. Let's preview them. I compared these recovered photos with the original ones, and there are no quality issues at all. I hope you found this data management video helpful and discovered a reliable software to recover your lost data. Wondershare Recoverit offers affordable plans, monthly, yearly, and perpetual for individuals, business, and education. You'll find all details and the download link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.